making this custom baby blanket by Carvalho Crochets.
Hey, Young Royals. This may be the first time that you have joined my YouTube channel. Welcome. Really happy that you're here. Tonight we are working on a baby blanket. It is 1 o'clock in the morning. And one thing that's going to be true about this YouTube channel is I am not sugarcoating the hard work that I put in and the dedication that I put into every single custom order that I do. And that doesn't stop today. You get the uncut, the real everything, like my pajamas, all of that. You're getting it because that's really what it is. This is what I did that by myself looks like. So tonight we are going to create the chart for the blanket, the baby blanket that I will be working on. And so the first thing I want to do mathematically is just quickly search the dimensions of a baby blanket, and I will show you. Let me see if I can turn my camera around. Okay, this is the first time I'm doing this. This is stitchfiddle.com. So I'm going to select crochet. I'm doing it with colors. The yarn, I'll just put no preference because it's not that big of a deal. Let's actually, I can size it up. So let's do 20 by 30. Okay, boom. So that makes it easy. It's a 20 by 30, I think. Yep, it's a 20 by 30. So I'll just do for each one square, it equals 2. So the great thing is we got the colors. And now I can okay, so I'm going to play with this and then I'll be back. All right, so here is a sketch of what it's going to look like. I'm actually going to move this K up maybe a row or two, just so that there's space between the K, the diamond with the K in the inside and the word legacy. But here's just a sketch of what we're gonna do. Now, I don't need this to be perfect because I'm not actually gonna follow this like square by square, but just being able to see how each row will increase or decrease or where to change the numbers is good enough for me to be able to make this into a blanket. So now it's time to figure out how many stitches I need to get to my 40 inches, and then we'll continue going down until we get to 60. All right, so I've made my starting chain. This is 108 stitches, and I'm using half double crochet, so this measures up to about 42-ish inches, which is perfect. It doesn't have to be like perfect, but it's close enough. And when I took 108 and divided it by 20, because remember I have a 20 by 40, 20 by 30 Afghan, it comes up to about 5.4. So I'm going to do every 5 stitches counts as 1 square. Every 5 every 5 stitches counts as 1 square. And so now that I have my starting chain, I feel like I want to just use this and keep going, but that's not what the Afghan says. So I'm going to follow the Afghan as is, and then I will show you guys once I get like 2 or 3 rows done, because that's all I'm doing tonight, just to get the pattern started. All right, everyone, let's keep it going.
And so here's a progress reel of the process of making this crochet blanket. The diamond and the K just came out really, really beautiful. I'm really happy with it. But now, as you can see, this is the progress pictures of Legacy for row by row. As we're watching this progress reel, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and put any questions down in the comment section if you have some for me. It was at this point that I realized the Y was wrong, so I had to go back and fix it. And yeah, I was like fighting myself not to have to start over, but then I wound up fixing it. Um, I was really fighting myself not to have to redo it, but it looks so much better like that. And here's the full thing. Thanks for watching.